I guess I go check the sails now. Of course, we got wind now.
Is that parking lot wind or is that real wind?
It died down again.
It's the parking lot thermal.
You know, they're technical.
Okay.
But early?
I got here 6:15. What was already in the water?
Oh, you guys are disgusting.
6:45?
Yeah.
Think it'll blow tomorrow?
I have no idea.
Listen to them. They're definitely a married couple. Yep. I have no idea.
I just lay in bed.
Most absolutely, definitely, maybe.
Well, if it blows in our house, it will.
And not only that, if he says so, he could be wrong.
But this morning it was blowing.
You should have been here yesterday.
No, yesterday it wasn't.
No, 2 days ago it was blowing here last night. Nighttime.
2 days ago it was blowing here last night?
That's right. Last night, 2 days ago, it was blowing real well.
What have you been drinking? How many bars have you had?
He tries
I
to
can't
say,
even blame that on beer.
you know, that's why he stays with beer.
Blame it on Cynthia.
He keeps popping up for another beer, and you keep thinking it's the same one, don't you? The can looks the same, right? That's why he stays with his own brand, his own brew, come in a case of 24 or whatever. Yeah, that's Brian.
Case of 24 whatevers, that's right. That's a good brand.
You can tell the wind's blowing in the campground.
No, it depends on what you're doing. How sleepy you are.
You can hear it in the trees, yeah.
Yeah.
And how amorous your wife is.
Yeah, I'm driving.
Pardon me?
It starts in the evening about, I don't know what, 3 in the morning.
Who starts in the evening at 2 or 3 in the morning?
The wind.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, there's a Hobie. One Hobie out there. He's not doing too good either.
No, it is not. It's rocking. And that's the one with about 4 or 5 people on it, and they were rocking it over here.
Well, that was tipped over.
Was it tipped over?
Building?